In this task, we need to create a pipeline job, a DevOps web app. It must not be multi-branch, so you just use pipeline, and then we need to deploy our code to storage server. So let's do that. Before that, we need to add a storage server as a Jenkins node with this label, and we need to mount this directory for that. So once you log into Jenkins, go to manage Jenkins. We need to install some plugins. So go to plugins, look for SSH under available plugins. This one builds as well. That's fine. Then install Git as well. Git client. Then look for pipeline. Install this. So meanwhile it installs, we need to connect to storage server. SSH Natasha STST01. You can find the credentials clicking on here. Be a sudo user, because we need to install Java in it. So if you run the command java version, it says command not from Java, because Jenkins needs Java. So just run the command install java 21 open jdk-y. So this one is going to install Java in it. So meanwhile we can go to Jenkins, and then we need some credentials to store. If I refresh it, I don't see any option for credentials. Let's click on plugin, just look for any credentials plugin. Credentials, but not this one, we don't need this. Let me refresh one more time. Still I'm not able to see. I'm just gonna restart it. Restart. Now I can see. Click on system. Click on add credentials, because we need these credentials to connect to storage server using SSH. So username is Natasha. Password, put the password. Just an ID. So once you're done with that, go to manage Jenkins again. Click on nodes, and then new node. The node name should be storage server, capital S, storage and capital S, server, permanent agent. And then we need to mount this to this location as a directory, remote root directory. So let's do that. /var www html and the labels stst or01. Use this with the labels, and then ssh host name is stst or01, credentials Natasha, and then manually trusted key. That looks good. If you click on save, then just relaunch this agent. If you go to Jenkins, I manage Jenkins in nodes. If you click on storage server, something is wrong with it. Launch it. Okay, it couldn't copy to this remoting.jar file to this location because permission denied. Okay, so we are trying to log in as Natasha. If we go to this location where www, if I do lsfnl, so this directory owns by Sarah. So let's If you run the command lsfnl, now you can see this is directory onto Natasha and group is Sarah. If I, yeah, it says agent successfully connected online. If you click on nodes, you can see free space for and storage as well. So if you go back, if you click on this app, you can see this page because this is coming from this location. Let me change this. If I change hello, now you can see, so that's coming from that server. So what we are going to do, we need to create this job. Let's jump in to Jenkins, create a job, and then we need pipeline job actually. So go back, manage Jenkins again, plugins available, and then look for pipeline. We did this, but install it again. That's been done. Go back, create job, and then choose pipeline. If you scroll down, you can see pipeline script. So we have the script. Let's copy it, paste it here. So we are going to learn pipeline, the agent. We are using these labels. So we already added a slave for this, and then stages. So stage name is deploy. You can name it. Actually, you need to name it deploy. It says somewhere. Yeah, it's case sensitive, so D is capital. So make sure to put a correct name. And then what we are going to run this command script, git clone, and then this repo. If you click on this Gitea, you come here. Username is Saro, password is Saro underscore pass123. Repository, click on this and then look for http and then put that here. So we are going to clone it under this directory /temp and app, and then we are going to copy content of this app to this var w.html. So that's fine. If you build it, at the moment we have this one, but if you come back here, if you look in this index HTML page, it says welcome to Xfusion Corp Industries. So at the moment we are seeing this. So once you build this job, it's building. You can check it as well in the console output. You can see copying to this directory, it says success. So you can see green tick. If you refresh it, now you can see. If you check the task results now, successful. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.